Hi everyone, so this one is another problem. So this is cot theta plus cos theta in the denominator, and then in the numerator I've got cot theta cos theta. But in the requirement we've got cot theta minus cos theta in the numerator. So basically, what I can do is I can make up the denominator by just multiplying the numerator and denominator on the left-hand side by cot theta minus cos theta in the numerator and denominator. So it's basically rationalizing technique. So in here, I've got cot theta, cos theta, times it by cot theta minus cos theta over cot squared theta, that's difference of two squares, minus cos squared theta. So that's what I have there. And in order to simplify this, what I'm going to do is cot squared minus cos squared. Can I change everything to cos and sine? So I'm not going to do anything to this term. Just going to leave that as is, but I'm going to change these ones. So cot is cos over sine, and then times it by cos, and then that stays as is. And then here I've got cos squared theta over sine squared theta minus cos squared theta. So I've got cos squared here basically. What I can do is I can take the sine, this sine, so I can multiply this by sine and this side by sine and this side by sine, so that the sine there cancels. So I've got cos squared theta times cot theta minus cos theta over, and I've got there one of the sine cancels, so I've basically got cos squared theta over sine theta, and then minus cos squared theta sine theta. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply everything by sine. So sine theta, and then sine theta. So that's going to become cos squared theta sine theta times cot theta minus cos theta over, this sine cancels, so it's going to become cos squared theta minus cos squared theta sine squared theta. And then I'm going to take cos squared in the denominator common, cos squared theta common, and that becomes 1 minus sine squared in the denominator, which cos squared here, sine theta here, and then cot theta minus cos theta there. That cos squared cancels, and we already know that that's sine theta times cot theta minus cos theta over 1 minus sine squared is cos squared theta. Let's look at the requirement. The requirement is cot theta, cos theta should be there. Now what I'm going to do here is this sine. So if you see here, I've got sine, cos, which is basically tan. So sine over cos is tan. And then I've got a cos there in the denominator. So I'm going to keep the cos as is. Or what I can do is, if I want cot, I'm going to divide everything by sine. So, well, let's do that. So that's easier. So divide that by sine. Divide that by sine. So I would have cot theta minus cos theta over cos squared over sine theta, which is cos theta over sine theta times it by cos theta. Cos over sine is cot, so cot theta minus cos theta over cot theta cos theta, which is the answer.